Hey guys, it's Molly for 1 Minute Wednesdays where we heat print together. So what size heat press is perfect for starting a t-shirt business? As you can see here, heat presses come in many different sizes, but what size is right for you? Buying a heat press is an investment for your business, so you need to be sure you know what you're going to be heat printing. Unless you're printing baby grows or something else really small, it's unlikely you're going to need a small heat press. By choosing a larger heat press that will grow with your business, you're making an investment for your business's future. By choosing a bigger size heat press, it opens up the option to print both smaller things and bigger things like plus size t-shirts. Whereas if you choose a smaller heat press, then you're going to be limiting yourself. So it might seem like a costly investment by choosing the larger size heat press, but this is an investment in your business's future. By choosing Hotronics, you're benefiting from the interchangeable Lure pattern feature, where you can swap out your Lure pattern to print any item on your heat press. So when you're choosing your heat press, think about how you want your business to grow.